Capricorn, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. Be a blessing to you. Your word of the day is trust the process, Capricorn. You're on the way to winning a championship. You're on your way to abundance. You're winning. There's no way you can lose because you put in the work. I need you to trust and give gratitude and believe in your work, because if you believe in yourself, the rest of the world will believe in you. If you don't believe in yourself, how can you expect that anyone else can believe in you? Put in the work that you continuously have done. You didn't come this far to stop now. I trust life in my strength. Each moment guides me to my light. Everything on my path is placed for my growth. You know why you need to grow? Because you become bigger and stronger. Therefore, there are more things you can put in your basket. More blessings can come your way. We're heading from, as we say on this page, the studio apartment to the beachfront mansion to 100 acres of land that can be passed down generation to generation. This is the frequency you're in. Don't stop now. Trust the process. You're on your way to victory. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.